Cute for you, which is listed in BSc, where you are getting up to 10.5% interest rate. And 15%, I don't know if somebody can do.
Sir, one more question.
Yes, sir, please.
The small investors, after Sahara incidents, they are hesitant to invest in such companies, financial companies. So, do you have any hurdle of Sahara this image, or if you have that hurdle, what are you doing?
So, abhi, like IIFL Samastha is the largest NBFC-MFI in India. Hamara 22 states में spread है, north, east, south and west, wherein portfolio diversification ज़्यादा है हमारा. If you see top 6 states, we are almost have 20% of the portfolio in single state. We are not going beyond 20%, which is a well diversified portfolio. Abhi. So, Amara Pass, we don't have any third party collection agents. All 14,300, 14,500 employees are onboarded and we are salarized employees. We have all the trust on them, and those people will do the collection feet on street always on the day-to-day basis. So this is how the company is operating, and this issue what we are using, these funds will be deployed for the on-lending towards our microfinance borrowers and for further expansion of the business, which will be utilizing these funds. So aggregate size रहेगा 1000 crore, इसमें 200 crore aggregate और 800 crore रहेगा green shoe options. Issue अभी open होएगा on 4th December, issue close होएगा 15th December. ये investment हमारा है 1,000 rupees initially, and you can go into multiple of that 1 lakh or 2 lakh, 3 lakh, depend upon the people who can able to invest in that.
और इसकी maturity का कुछ
हमारा 3 slabs है, 24 months maturity, 36 months maturity और 60 months. 24 months का हम दे रहा है 9.5%, 36 months में दे रहा है 10% और 60 months का tenure में 10.6% है. ये मार्केट से अभी काफ़ी अच्छा है इंटरेस्ट रिटर्न्स. मार्केट में अभी बॉन्ड यील्ड हो रहा है 8.5 to 9%. हमारा 24 मंथ्स काफ़ी ऑन हाईएस्ट साइड विच इज़ 9.6%.
लोगों से कभी क्या अपील करते हैं और किस तरह से भरोसा आप दिखाते हैं लोगों को, मेरा और जो म्यूचुअल फंड्स हैं, बैंक्स वगैरह, उनसे कैसे बेहतर है और आप क्या उनसे अपील करना चाहते हैं?
सो अभी देखा तो हमारा पास ऑलमोस्ट 60+ लेंडर्स इंक्लूडिंग नेशनलाइज्ड बैंक लाइक SBI, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा, इंडियन बैंक, बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, प्राइवेट बैंक्स, बड़ा बैंक्स सभी है हमारा पास. म्यूचुअल फंड भी इन्वेस्ट किया है हमारा. कमर्शियल पेपर में हमारा पास अभी 250 crore CP है. इसमें Tier 2 भी है. Tier 2 में क्वालिफाइड इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स हैव बीन इन्वेस्टेड लाइक कॉर्पोरेट्स, म्यूचुअल फंड. सो ये हम ये फंड यूटिलाइजिंग फॉर फर्दर एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द पोर्टफोलियो एंड ग्रोथ ऑफ द कंपनी विच इज यूटिलाइजिंग फॉर नेक्स्ट 24 months.
जो म्यूचुअल फंड आप इकट्ठा करेंगे उसको बदले जो आप उठाते हैं, किस तरह से वो आप उसको कहीं इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं या कैसे उसको करते हैं?
अभी इन्वेस्टमेंट अब देखा तो हमारा इंडस्ट्री में माइक्रो फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री इज ग्रोइंग इन लास्ट रिप्रेजेंटिंग द कंपनी. एंड जस्ट टू टेक ओवरव्यू ऑफ द कंपनी. हेलो, IIFL, we are the NBFC-MFI registered under RBI. We are the NBFC-MFI, and we do more into microfinance business of around 85% portfolio into microfinance business. And we have other secured product also, which is LAP and micro LAP, which we lend for our clients, along with DCL. DCL is dedicated loans, which we do. We are spread across almost 22 states with 1,400+ branches across pan-India. We are into south, north, east, west. Usually, we are West Bengal, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Rajasthan, etc. So we are calling this press meet for we are planning to go for a public issuance of NCD bonds, which is 1,000 crore, aggregating to 200 crore initially, and with 800 crore of the green shoe. So we are having as of September 12,200 crore asset under management. with 1,485 branches. Our gross NPA, if you see the industry level, we are at 2.1% on overall portfolio, which is almost 175 crore, and industry stands at almost 7 to 8%. We have active members who borrow funds from us, almost 27 lakh members, and we have good healthy profit, which is called PAT, after all the expenses and everything, almost 33 crore, with net NPA of 0.6%, which is 47 crore. And if you see our AUM, as I mentioned, the microfinance is having almost 85% of the overall AUM. Balance we have secured loan, which is dedicated loan, secured and unsecured investment. Next slide. So these are the product diversification, our customer profile and loan features. Microfinance, we do it in rural and semi-urban. Majorly 92 to 93% of the portfolio completely into rural. We cater to the bottom of the pyramid of the people. We have secured MSME loan, which is meant for the individual and women borrowers or co-borrowers, which under microfinance. Here, the microfinance tenure will be around 24 months to 36 months what we are offering, and secured MSME will go up to 24 to 120 months, which is completely a secured book. Average ticket is of 4.6 lakhs as MSME, and microfinance average ticket of 42,000. Under unsecured MSME, also it is less than 5 lakh what we do with our members. And daily credit. Daily credit is almost equal to microfinance, where we have 64,000 as an average ticket size, and we will not go more than 1 lakh. So this is the spread. If you see, we have grown from last 5 years, which is 19 to till September. Almost last year we had 62% growth, and this financial year we will be seeing almost 25 to 30% growth. Presently we are at 1,485 branches, and we have AUM per branch is 8.2 crore, and we are not going beyond any branch crosses 70 crore. We will stop that branches and we will split the branch. Yes. So these are the basic robust financial performance of the company. As I mentioned, AUM and cost income, they are well maintained at 43%. The equity ratio, which is 4.5%. Presently, we have bought in equity of around 200 crore. With that, equity reduced to 4.8 level, and return on equity also we are almost highest in compared to other financial years. Even capital adequacy ratio at 20%. Post-base equity, we are at 23%, which is a healthy capital adequacy ratio. Regulations require 15%, and loan loss margins we have 4.9%. Next. So, Tier 1 capital, we are at 15.1%, after equity we are at 16%. Regulation says overall Tier 1 and Tier 2 both put together we should have 15%, but we are at Tier 1, we are at 15%, and Tier 2 we are almost 8%. OPEX is also 10.2%, PAT 232 crore what we booked in September. And NIM somewhere around 9.4%, we always operating 9.5 to 10%. And we have operating profit and OPEX, including provision, we are at 6.6%. Capital optimization, we have tied with some of the banks through BCs and co-lending like SBI, S Bank, Federal, UCO, and other private sector and public sector banks. So our branches, we are very spread. Technology, we have invested more on data and MIS management. So, product diversification also, we want to retain and graduate and higher growth by cross-sale. So here, we want to do more into that, and we want to take it up the overall mix 75 to 25%. And cost control profitability, which is always every company will be having, which we also going to started to increase more profitability of the field officers, contributing to increase profitability of the company. So these are the mainly the company. What now we are doing around public issuance bond of 1,000 crore. Without public issuance, first off, we almost raised 5,050 crore of borrowing through various products like term loan, refinance, NCDs, and commercial paper. Our already private placement of NCDs already listed in BSE and NSE, where you can look into it. And we also have adequate liquidity of around 1,100 crore, and we have also undrawn sanction of 1,250 crore as on today. Recently, credit rating has been upgraded by CRISIL from AA minus stable to AA minus positive, and we have short-term rating of A1 plus. And Acquit also we have rating AA. And if you see our ALM, we never have any mismatch in our ALM. All ALM is completely positive. So if you see our cumulative outflow to cumulative inflow is always on higher, cumulative outflow is always on lower. Right? So these are the basic banks where we borrow, and these banks have a lot of cash in the last 17 years in our business. We never see before any of the repayments or interest payment. And our borrowing mix also well maintained. Right now, we have very good lenders on board, including public sector banks, private sector banks, and financial institutions on board. Next. These are our board of directors. Mr. Venkatesh, who is the managing director, and Mr. Shivrakash, the holding director. Other four like Manini, Ramanathan, Nitin, Shashanti, the independent director, who are running the business from last 12 to 13 years. Next. So this is what we want to discuss the issue structure today. So we are planning to raise 200 crore at a base size and reach of our intended total price of 1,000 crore. We are doing in 3 tranches. One is 24 months, 36 months, and 60 months. 24 months, we are offering a very good yield of 9.59, 10% and 3.5. If you see today, deposits or any other bonds which is having a lower rate, and this will give a very good rate for our customers who would offer. And here the issue opens on 4th December from Monday, and which closes 15th. Is that the people can able to apply for the NCD through ASBA, which is through the Demat account. These are our lead managers, general managers, IIFL Securities, Nomura, and Trust Capital. So we have Divisions Recon. Critical as rating the Acquit, and we have any time for our association.